everyone, welcome back. So today I have a little Primark haul for you and introducing a few spring bits into my wardrobe, although it's still very bitterly cold outside. I hope you're all having a lovely Saturday and have a fab weekend planned. I'm currently like full of cold and have the throat where when you swallow it feels like you're swallowing glass, like it's so swollen. We don't know what's going on, may just be a little virus, who knows. But I wanted to show you all the new bits that I got from Primark. So I'm going to start with accessories and like random bits such as this cage light. So I saw that it looks like this when it's out, and it has like a bulb inside it, and as well as the bulb there's like little fairy lights in there, and it's battery operated, so you just pop your own batteries in there and then you've got your light and the cage. I just thought it was very like Oliver Bonus-esque, and this was only £6. So I'm really excited to have that in my house. I don't know where I'm going to put that yet, but I always like having it all cosy and having little lights on here and there. I feel like every time I go into Primark I always get some hair grips, just the classic 60-pack Kirby grips, coated for comfort, for £1 in its little box, and then a 60-pack of hairbands, because again you can never have too many hairbands or hair grips. They just go missing, they just go a-wandering. Something else you can never have enough in stock of: cotton pads. 80p cotton, oh 90p now. That's this new lower price. Were they more? I feel like they were 80p before. Anyway, 90p cotton pads, you can't really go wrong. And these are really good because they're massive and they're oval and they're nice and thick as well. So they get the job done. Put your micellar water on, hold it over, jobs are good. This is so random, but I got some earphones for £1.50. These were just like by the till. I was like, go on then, get myself some new headphones. I also picked up this homeware item, and I have a few of these dotted around the house. They work really well and they're only £3, and it is a diffuser. This one is number 17 Madagascan Vanilla. It says lasts up to 8 weeks, and these really do smell up the house, not like in a bad way, but like instead of like, I don't know what I was gonna say, instead of whatever the natural house smell is, this smells really nice. I've got 2 of these in my living room, one in my bathroom, one in my office. I'll probably put this one in my bedroom actually, just not sure where yet, maybe on one of my side tables. But they just really scent the room and make such a difference, and this one's quite a big one. And I also really love the packaging. It looks really like vintage and apothecary. I always struggle with this word, apothecary. There we go, I think. Yes, so really excited for another diffuser. Okay, so I've got 3 fashion accessories. I've got 2 bags and a pair of shoes, all white. So this is the first bag. This was £6 and it is a circle bag. I will probably get rid of the tassel just because I feel like it cheapens it a little bit. Circle bags are absolutely everywhere right now, and in Primark they had a white one, a pale pink and a black one as far as I'm aware, and it has a long strap as well, so you can wear it crossbody or just like bunch up the strap and hold it like this. But I just think circle bags are really cute. I don't even know what it looks like inside. Oh, it's just plain white. But I think, yeah, circle bags are really sweet and really nice for spring. It's quite a small bag though. And then this one I absolutely love. I saw a similar one to this in autumn from Zara, and it was like a dark red burgundy colour, but it's the exact same shape and design. It's a little detailed box bag, so it's kind of like a, if it was bigger it would be like an old-fashioned trunk like case. So it has detailed corners, gold hardware, and it's extremely structured, like it is a box. This was £10. How does this open? Like that. There we go. Oh, and it has the long strap, of course, inside, and it's just your classic kind of little bag size, really. Why can't I get this to close? Oh, there we go. But I just thought this was, again, really sweet, and I always like white accessories in spring. And then, oh no, the sun's coming out again, so we're gonna go orange. Then I got these little slingback flats. They are pointy and very basic. They are in a size 7 because I'm average, and they were £6. Everything's like £6 today, and those were £6. My mum actually really liked these, so she bought some for herself as well. Don't know if they're going to be comfortable yet, we'll have to see, but I just thought they looked really nice. And then I picked up a few clothing items, so first being this broderie on glaze shirt, is that how we say it? looks like this. I have a few tops like this now with like the ruffle bib area. I just think it looks really nice when it's on and feminine. And then the sleeves I absolutely love. Look at them. They cuff in and then like ruffle out. I thought they were really pretty. So yeah, we've got the little embroidery and flowers and little holes through. This is as seen in Glamour magazine, and this was £12. So yeah, high neck with a little ruffle, bib, and then lovely little sleeves. So I really love that, and I can't wait to wear that. And then I picked up this, which is a pale blue body. I absolutely love bodies because you could just like put them on and then put a skirt over the top, and you don't have to like worry about like pulling it down every 5 minutes because it like rides up and then it's all flustery. This was only £4, which I think is mad, and they had this in black. They didn't have it in white. I was actually looking for it in white to start with, but they had it in black, and I think they had it in stripy, but I decided to get it in this pale blue. So it's literally a body with a ruffle on the top, so really nice and basic, and such a pretty spring colour as well. So I just thought I would have that as a little wardrobe addition to my spring outfits. And then this is very different for me, but it could look really nice, so we'll have to see how this goes. This was £13. Hang on, my nose is getting a bit stuffy now, isn't it? It is a jumpsuit. Is it a full-length jumpsuit? I think it's culotte. Yeah, it's culotte. And it's a really nice white and stripy vibe. We've got these little frilly straps and then a little frill down at the V neckline, and then it goes in at the waist, and then it's just these culottes on the bottom, and I just thought this was really nice. It is quite thin, like I can already see through it, but I have got studio lights blaring at me. This was £13. And finally, I told you this was a little Primark haul. I picked up this blazer. I think this was £14, but I have already worn it. And it is this print. Now, are we calling it it's not houndstooth, it's like Prince of Wales check almost. But it's quite a thin blazer, and the sleeves are ruched naturally, so it just gives you that like cool vibe that I just naturally do not have. And it's, yeah, classic blazer. I just absolutely love this. It just makes any outfit look a bit more put together. It has little pockets, and I loves it. I loves it. And there we go. That is my Primark haul for March. We are still in March. I'm just like, I don't even know what day it is right now. I feel delirious. I've got medication in me. I should go back to bed, really. Let me know some of the new bits you picked up from Primark recently, and I can assure you there'll be a lot more spring Primark hauls coming right your way. Thank you so much for watching. Give me a big fat thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!